What in the world is happening to Bitcoin? Why can't we break out of 25K? Here's everything you need to know. As we know, Bitcoin has been on a massive uptrend, but is failing to break out of that $25,000 range. Currently falling back and retracing to about 23.8, and filling a lot of unfinished agreements today as it dropped to these levels. That 23.8 actually liquidated a ton of long positions. And we have now officially seen the delta switch over to a cumulative delta in the negative, meaning there's a lot more shorts in the market right now. And the reason why we're struggling to break 25K is because when we get up to these levels, too many people FOMO into the market. And with Bitcoin being up 42%, all your institutions, enterprises, whales, and market makers accumulated during these ranges. So how do we break out of 25K? Well, tomorrow on August 17th, we are going to have both our core retail sales month over month come out at 8:30 a.m. as well as an FOMC meeting with Member Brown speaking at 2:20. And if you guys didn't see Walmart stocks today, they were up over 5%. And this is just because, like I called on my channel, the disinflation taking place in inventory actually being the reason why prices are dropping. Sales are coming in better than expected for the month of July, as Walmart and these retailers have to use insane promotions to drive demand back to the consumers. Watch my bullwhip effect video on my channel to learn more. So since because of all the commodities and all the disinflation occurring over the month of July, and Walmart already coming out and showing that their month over month earnings from retailers were pretty positive, it's safe to assume that the core retail sales month over month are actually going to be pretty positive. And not only are you getting positive articles, but more than likely, we are going to see a higher actual than forecast for the month of July. And since we see market makers liquidating all the long positions tonight, we can assume that the 24,800 level, where there is unfinished agreements about the 24,850 level, is more than likely going to have prices attract to it with the bullish announcement. However, there is already a ton of sell orders coming in at the 25,000 level. Now, I also expect Ethereum, if we have the bullish news from the retail core sales tomorrow, to also see quite a bounce. However, because of all the overly leveraged traded positions on both Bitcoin and ETH, I expect to come into a new trading range. Now, yes, we do look peakish on the daily. However, we are in an uptrend, and looking at the 4-hour, we can see that the MACD is looking to start to reverse. We can see that the RSI has definitely a room to grow. And while there is a slight risk to the downside, I believe you have to have a massive wick down to that 200-day EMA, which we continuously bounce off of, and has a ton of long positions waiting to be filled. We are more than likely going to come up to the unfinished agreements around that 24,800 level. So just know, since markets are literally acting to the data that the US provides, that markets are insanely volatile. Which, if you want my entry points and my exit positions, I post these every single day in the Crypto Night Discord, where you can see that we've made literally over $2,000 in just lasted 24 hours trading these swings. Be sure to like, comment, and follow, and I'll see you in the next video.